Alek mau lihat desain gedung-gedung nih.
Kita dapat hadiah dan sekarang kita
Ada t-shirt di
pulang.
dalam.
Emang ya kalau anak cewek itu bawaannya
Gila
yang
ini.
paling rempong.
Assalamualaikum.
Halo semua, welcome back to Yanti Family Channel. Sebelumnya gimana kabarnya saudara onlineku dimanapun kalian berada? Semoga sehat walafiat, tidak kekurangan sesuatu apapun, jangan lupa bahagia dan selalu
Bersyukur.
Nah teman-teman, hari ini aku ajak kalian kira-kira kemana? Yuk ikutin aja deh. Oke, ikutin aja, pasti ada di thumbnail. Ini kenapa di depan rumah kita banyak banget orang ya teman-teman ya, lihat
Alex
antri
sini.
bis.
Cepat-cepat.
Iya, di sini semuanya antri bis banyak banget. Nih anak-anak lihat.
Elsa?
Kenapa nak?
Ah, sini kayak gini.
Kenapa? Adiknya nangis. Adiknya
Kayak
nangis. Kok ya datang gua adik bareng. Yo. Ayo Mas Alek, yuk. Kenapa gitu? Kenapa begitu? Ada aja. Ini gantengnya. Gantengnya. Yo.
Nah,
Yo. Ya. Salah pinter. Kalau udah dibuka, udah ngerti. Yong. Dia itu maunya juga sendiri, teman-teman.
sini.
Maunya sendiri.
Oke.
Toto se anake. Anake ditoto dhisik. Sekarang udah di dalam mobil, tuh anak-anak di belakang. Perjalanan sekitar berapa menit sayang?
25, 30.
Oh
Kalau
berarti
macet,
nggak jauh berarti teman-teman.
kalau di dalam kota kalau ada macet, nah, nggak
Lebih nggak tahu.
tahu. Nah,
Soalnya
kalau
ini di
nggak ada
dalam kota.
macet 15 atau 20.
Iya.
Tapi,
Biasanya macet teman-teman. Suasananya sangat cerah sekali.
ya,
Cerah sekali sampai biru banget.
nggak ada satu mendung, nggak ada.
Mendung bisa dihitung,
Hitung,
nggak bisa dihitung,
nggak bisa dihitung.
nggak ada mendung,
Satu mendung, dua mendung nggak bisa.
nggak bisa. Mendung nggak ada sama sekali.
Nggak, oke. Mendung nggak ada sama sekali.
Iya. Kok nggak pakai map tahu?
Oke, sebentar ya tahu kurang lebih, tapi oke pakai map.
Daripada
Kan
keblasok.
Kamu,
Suka.
ya, kamu
Saya
suka.
nyanyi-nyanyi itu anak-anak. Di tengah kota itu ya pelan-pelan gini, soalnya banyak traffic light teman-teman. Alon-alon ini malah macet. Kita ikut yang macet. Ikut yang macet. Daerah Barcelona. Alon-alon pokoknya kelakon. Prinsesnya tidur. Nah, sekarang kita sudah parkir di sana dan sekarang ini kita ada Expo Indonesia.
Ya.
Expo Roka Indonesia.
Ya.
Yuk. Ayo.
Keluar.
Itu
Sana.
keluar di mana? Keluar di mana? Ayo sayangku, soalnya Mas Alek baru bangun tidur, teman-teman. Anget sih sayang. Ke Barcelona. Thank you. Sama-sama.
Halo. Ya. Tidur. Oh, bangun.
Iya,
Sudah
makasih. Tuh.
Sudah bangun, Elsa.
Nah, teman-teman, sekarang saya lagi bersama Mbak Rati dan ini adalah salah satu contoh bangunan yang menggunakan bahan dari koleksi Roka Design. Dan ini adalah salah satu contoh dari desain Roka seperti tempat cuci tangan atau sink.
Jalan tadi.
Saya lihat ada wajah-wajah Indonesia ini.
Batik, Pak.
Batik. Terima kasih. Terima kasih. Yanti Gise. Itu family. Ya, family. 13 tahun. Ya. Ini anak 1, 2. Itu suami.
Ya,
semuanya ikut.
Ya.
Lagi di Madrid ya kita di.
Iya, kamu coba sayang. Bisa lihat apa kira-kira? 1, 2, 3.
Alek mau juga.
Erik mau juga.
Nanti.
Gantian, sabar.
Anak siapa sih Pak ya?
Bisa. Sedikit-sedikit bisa bahasa Indonesia semuanya.
Asli Barcelona Bapaknya.
Asli Barcelona.
Sama Ibu.
Iya.
Anak-anaknya cantik-cantik.
Makasih.
Suka makanan Indonesia juga.
Apa?
Makanan Indonesia suka.
Suka, tapi nggak pedas. Nggak suka pedas, tapi biasa suka.
Kelihatan nggak?
Kelihatan? Muter.
Jira.
Muter, jira, karennya jira.
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 Saya lihat ke atas.
Ke atas. Depan.
Bawah.
Mau juga.
Alex.
Mas Alek mau
nyoba
juga.
juga.
Tiga juga saya.
Hmm.
14, 12 sama 5 tahun. Ini agak mirip sama anak saya.
Elsa, kamu jealous nggak?
Elsa umur berapa Elsa?
Elsa 2 tahun. 2 tahun, 10 tahun sama 7 tahun, hampir ya.
Ngantri kok.
Ngantri sebentar, sabar. Lihat gedung-gedung.
Sekolah Indonesia ada nggak di sini?
Nggak ada.
Kita orang Indonesia cuma berapa Pak? 150 Pak.
Sangat kecil banget orang Indonesia di sini.
Ya, tapi bisa. Kita pokoknya biasanya pakai
Langsung
Oke, Mas Alek juga mau nyoba kenal di Indonesia. Sekarang di Barcelona.
Pitching ya, tanpa berbayar kita bisa.
Just bis. Lihat apa?
Lihat apa?
Ini.
Gedung-gedung di dalamnya.
Kelihatan nggak?
Awantan Las Mans, Alex.
kalau ini
Bingung.
lihat apa?
Lihat apa, Alek?
Lihat apa?
Mau kemana?
Muter aja. Bingung dia.
Lihat ke atas.
Ke atas sayang, ke atas.
Atas, miradal.
Ada. Aduh, ya Allah.
¿Te agrada?
Sí, está, molt bé, gracias. Bilang apa terima kasih, gimana? Terima kasih. Oke.
Both from Jakarta and also here from Barcelona. I think it's a great initiative and It will be very helpful for everyone to see what is the differences in architecture practice in both countries. In general, I think that ROCA Group is, as you know, a very big group around the world. We are selling in 170 countries. I belong to the business unit in Asia. We have business in many countries such as Singapore, Thailand, Hong Kong, China, India, Australia, and also Indonesia. And I hope that in the future, these kind of activities can also be performed with the rest of my colleagues and can bring the best architects from all these countries here, and the collaboration can continue after this, because at the end of the day, it's an opportunity not only for the Indonesian architects, but also, I believe, for everyone here to get to know them and to do networking around the world. So thank you very much also, and I would like to also introduce the curator for this event. So it's Miriam Giordano. She's the director and founder of Labo, and she has been working very hard to select all the projects and to guide everyone today. So thank you very much, and I just would like to give her the space. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Marco. Welcome to everybody to this exceptional roundtable discussion.
And similarities between architecture and design. I'm Pekka Mulet, director of D720. D720 is an architecture firm that is based in Madrid and Barcelona. It was born something like 25 years ago, and we've been involved in some of the most important or singular projects in the city. You probably know them. We've done projects in collaboration in the past with big international firms. We did the Spar Tower with Jean Nouvel, or the City of Justice with David Chipperfield, or the towers of
Barcelona teams for this opportunity to participate in this, I would say, exciting, encouraging event. My name is Peter Gan. I'm the founder and the principal architect for my firm, Peter Gan Architect. I started the firm almost 3 decades ago in Surabaya, one of the second largest city in Indonesia. I started the firm with myself and 2 other staff, and now the firm has grown into with 30 employees. I would like to keep it in the boutique size so that I have more time to play golf, to travel, spend time with my wife. She's around here. Although we are boutique, we have done a few huge projects, and this is one of the huge projects. I would say it's about 300,000 square meters. It's in Samarinda. If you see from the pictures, it's actually like 2 shopping malls stacked together. So the car can go to the 3rd floor, so it becomes another mall. And then you can see there is a ramp going up, so it becomes 1 mall, and then there is another mall below it. So it's like 2 malls stacked together, and the below one is for the lower class, and then upper class on the upper level, and then of course hotel on top of it. Okay, this is another exciting project in Kalimantan also. This one it's a 4-point managed by 4-point hotel. We have done a few projects with international hotel management such as Marriott, Hyatt, Accor, and many other operators. For these specific projects, we try to combine a very ethnic element of Borneo into a modern building design. Okay, this is another. It's quite interesting projects in Jakarta. All of the buildings are high rise. Most of the buildings.
So nice.
It's with the traffic jam, with pollution. This one is like an oasis in the city. You know, it's quite humble projects. It's a restaurant. It's one of the chain restaurant. We use a lot of bricks, a lot of wood structures, and we use a lot of water. So this this restaurant become like a destination for people in Jakarta. It's like to go there not only to eat for recreation. Such a break for city like in Jakarta. Okay, this is the another project that I picked for the discussion. This is another huge shopping mall. It's actually two phase. It's a very long project. It's about 350 long shopping malls. We built in two phases. There's the first phase opened in 2013, and then the new one just opened last year. And the new phase is composed of extension of the shopping mall, and then there is a hotel and convention hall on top of the shopping mall. And this is just inside the lobby of the hotel. It's the swimming pool on top of the shopping mall. I think this. Thank you. I think.
Thank you. So from Jakarta, we come back to Barcelona. So we welcome Juan Velasco, Senior Associate at SA Architects.
I would like to work with Peter to have time to play with. So we are GCA. We are a local architecture and interior design firm based in Barcelona and Madrid. We have more than 38 years of history, and we are around 120 people between both offices. So we have brought a selection of projects just for you to get to know us at a glance. This first project is Retama Tower at Madrid. It's actually a refurbishment project.
Very much.
Thank you very much, everybody. Muchas gracias. Hola. Okay, that's the only 3 words I learned at the very first day, because this is only the second day. Firstly, I want to thank you to Roca, my friend, also Alberto, showing us how the Spanish people do welcome the guests. Hospitality is very good, very humble, and we love the city. And this is my first time into Barcelona, and I would like to take a little bit time to introduce myself. So you can call me Hardy or Anthony, either way. And I'm the founder and also the managing director of Alien Design Consultant. So Alien Design Consultant, we have quite unique name. Alien itself actually stands for Architecture, Landscape, Interior, Estate, and Nusantara. And we have been only founded 8 years ago, and now, thank God, the company grows quite rapidly, and we have now 200 people working in the office in Jakarta. And in Alien Design Consultants also, we believe the name is not only about the acronym, but would like to always make the choice of the design to be more unique, more different, like maybe none of us ever seen Alien before, right? So hopefully we won't see anytime sooner, but Alien itself is some creature that is very unique, very fast forward, and using technology that is different than what we use as humans. So this is what I want to bring into the philosophy of our company, to bring in design that is unique, different, of course sustainable, and using the technology like Roca technology. It's very good and sustainable. Okay, we go to the next slides. Okay, I would like to use this opportunity to show our first project. Actually, it's a collaborative project with international architects, Atkins Global. But unfortunately, Atkins has already closed down their business office globally. So this is the tower, the tallest tower in Indonesia, that is going to be standing tall of 700 meters. Definitely sustainability will play a very key part in this project, because not only about the mechanism, about the green, solar photovoltaic, but also how to make the sanitary also works in favor of the sustainability system and make this building a platinum grade. And then inform everyone here that Indonesia currently having a lot of big projects that may be welcoming a lot of architects internationally, worldwide, maybe architects from Barcelona as well, because we are moving our capital city from Jakarta to a new capital city called Nusantara. So it's going to be a lot of collaboration between Indonesian and also architects from global, like Atkins Global here. And then the second one is actually a project in Jakarta, in Pantai Indah Kapuk. With here, why I put word bold. So in Alien Design Consultant, we always design with 3 key factors. So the first one is bold. Bold is that we want our design to be different, be unique, and also recognized by people. And for Jakarta, in terms of urban, it's a little bit different. It's not like in Barcelona where everything is already been very good, nicely designed in terms of master planning. But in Jakarta, because the city is growing very rapidly and with 20 million people that is living in Jakarta, the urban and architectural is not well developed like what in Barcelona. So that we always want with every of the architect in Indonesia, like PDW, Mr. Peter Gan, always wants to bring in something different to be the landmark of the city itself. So that people like here, people can tell, okay, I live in the southern part of Torre Akbar. It's something that is different, something that can be called a landmark. Okay, definitely, I will talk about this project more if there's any question. Secondly, it's responsible. This is a project in Port of Merak, executive port, that connects people from Java Island to Sumatra Island. So they go from this port into another port that we also designed. So the second one is responsible. It's about design, not only bold, that it also needs to be responsible in terms of buildability, regulation compliant, and then also definitely building with a material that is available in the country as well. And then the third one is sustainable. Definitely, it always be our point of view in design to make a design sustainable. I can see there's lots of similarities between the design done by B720 GCA about how to play parts of buildings, not to make a building that is very limiting people and buildings that can be passed by people below. So below we have a space that is high, people can just walk through below. And then every place that we have slabs, we will want to make it a rooftop or landscape parts of the design. And then this is another image of our project, the BNI Peak, Pantai Indah Kapuk. Also, we are chasing the Platinum LEED certification for these jobs as well. And the sanitary, we would like to try by Roka. And applause for Roka first. Can I have applause for Roka to make this event happen? Okay, this is another image of the BUMN Tower, the tallest tower in the capital city of Nusantara. This one is an airport. We designed an airport in Labuan Bajo, Komodo Island. If you ever heard of Komodo, and you should come to Komodo Island because it's extincting. Maybe another 50 years we will not be able to see Komodo, so take time to come to Indonesia and you will land here in the airport, Komodo Airport, done by Alien Design Consultant. And then this project is another one. Is we not only doing a project locally in Indonesia, but we are currently also working on Tunisia jobs. It's not that far from here. So we are collaborating with an architect from Malmö, Sweden. So this is just to tell you guys that we can collaborate in any jobs. I mean, we have the resource here to collaborate with you guys for any competition, so that we can be anywhere in the global countries as well. And also, this is the project that we want to feature in this exhibition. It's a little bit different because it's already been built. The structural is going to be a challenge also in this job, but I would like to tell more story in the panel discussion because the time is very limited. I want to make you guys a little bit curious about the job. And this is another angle, and this exact image is the image in the competition, but when it's been built, it's also the same like this. So we try to retain the design into the exhibition of construction in a good manner. I think it stops here. Yeah. Can I click more? Okay, thank you everyone for the time.
Thank you. And so I give the floor to our last speakers before the round table, to Mohammad Archika Danisforo, for everybody Chico, from the design director or PDW. Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for Roka, Alberto, for inviting me all the way halfway around the world to Barcelona. Very beautiful city, beautiful people, very friendly, very good food. Yeah. My name is Chico Danisforo. I'm the co-founder and design director of PDW. We are a firm based in Jakarta, over 150 people strong now. We specialize in master plan, as you see here, urban design, architecture, interior, and BIM system. So the first project, before we go into detail about the featured one that's been on site here. So this is a very interesting project. It's called the Ekamas Master Plan in Batam. Batam is an island just off the coast of Sumatra and very nearby to Singapore. So a lot of Singaporeans and Malaysians, only a 20-minute boat ride away, can actually visit Batam, buy property, eat cheaper food and get cheaper goods as well. It's interesting because it's a combination between redeveloped land area and with the land reclamation that will house the over 60-story in the middle. We also specialize in urban design guideline, and what as you see here, because Jakarta is a very, very big metropolitan area, about 25 million in total, but we do not have any MRT, mass rapid transportation system. So this was very, very first. And this is located in the center of the city, where all the major transportation like subway, underground, LRT, above ground, busway system will meet in the middle. So hopefully this can relieve the traffic congestion that's currently plaguing Jakarta. This is a mixed-use project. It's quite interesting because it has many different functions. It has apartment, it has office, it has a mall, represented by the Ball Alliance, and maybe even architects are not doing more. Is because from the government itself, there's less incentive to give back to the developer if they were to meet certain green building sustainable design. And so that is why, and also because the developers there tend to get.
Oke, sekarang aku mau pamitan sama Pak Jo. Pak Jo, mau pamit dulu, mau pulang. Mau pulang dulu.
Mudah-mudahan bisa membantu memperkenalkan desain Indonesia.
Terima kasih.
Satu-satunya yang
halo ya. Oke. Terima kasih. Mari. Thank you. Thank you, gracias. Adieu, dadah. Dadah. Mari Mas. Iya, mari. Salim sayang. Ya, sekarang kita pulang. Aku tak pamitan sama Mbak Ratih tadi di mana, habis itu kita pulang. Tak pamit sama Mbak Ratih tadi di mana ya? Kayaknya di sana. Oke. Biasa anak-anak besok kan sekolah Mas Yan. Makasih ya.
Oke, makasih.
Besok sekolah ya.
Salim sama Mas Fahmi. Salim.
Ketemu lagi ya.
Dadah. Dadah.
Oke,
makasih. Dadah, makasih. Gracias. Sampai jumpa di Usiau. Wah, kita dapat hadiah dan sekarang kita pulang.
Ada t-shirt di dalam. Oke, makasih.
Bye bye. Ya.
Ada Usiau.
Oke. Pulang-pulang.
Sekarang pulang,
Pulang, marilah pulang. Marilah pulang bersama-sama. Nah, teman-teman, hari ini itu benar-benar sangat interesting karena kita ketemu dengan desainer-desainer terkenal di Indonesia yang bergabung sama Barcelona, teman-teman. Oke. Gimana sayang, kamu interest dengan
interesting jawabannya ya.
Iya.
Bagus. Aku ngerti semua ini di bahasa Inggris ya.
Iya. Di bahasa Inggris jadinya suami paham semuanya.
Ya. Lihat mendung sekali ya.
Iya, sekarang mendung udah mau hujan. Iya.
Oke, cepat pulang. Anak-anak belum makan malam.
Iya, belum makan malam ini teman-teman.
Erik, Alex lapar? Lapar, ya.
Lapar.
Oke, ayo
cium
makan.
Thank you, anak-anak pinter semuanya. Ya Allah, kayak petakilan tolelek baiklah.
Oke, ayo.
Ya. Mobil semuanya.
Masuk, Alex. No, ada sortiran.
Masih kayak bau mobil baru, Mas Alex gak suka.
Gak suka bau.
Masih baunya itu kayak, padahal udah lumayan lama loh, setengah tahun lebih, tapi masih bau mobil baru gitu loh. Kadang-kadang enak. Rasanya Mama di sini bawa adik 2 jajan. Unes Mas Alex. Hai sayang. Mas Alex. Kayak basah. Emang ya kalau anak cewek itu bawaannya yang paling rempong. Lihat Elsa, bawaannya apa aja itu? Boneka Rabbit, boneka ini, minuman. Anak cewek emang terrempong. Apa Ndok? Ya Allah lucu nih ini diambil satu ya nggak boleh ini. Lucu-lucu nih loh cah iki.
Lampu hijau.
Mas lampu hijau. Kalau mas-masnya kan nyantai. Lah ini bawaannya Miss Rempong. No pasares ini. Sampai ceplok ini nggak boleh dibawa deh. Nah. Jangan Miss Rempong. Miss Rempong. Aduh, Endelita.
Sebentar.
Ayo sini sama mama. Udah 3, aduh. Ora apa-apa. Sini. Jangan digawane ora oleh. Bawaanmu iki lho. Bocah lucune ya Allah. Pol.
Stories, I'm a fool for your love.